In this video, we're just going to go over how to multiply radicals together. All right, so I've got just an example right here. We have square root of 3 times the square root of 5. Whenever you're multiplying radicals together, the index numbers must be the same. So when I look at this example, I have my little invisible 2 up here and also an invisible 2 here. That index number has to be the same before I can multiply them together. And basically what happens is they end up getting put under the same radical, and then on the inside I would multiply them together, and so then I end up with the square root of 15. Okay, so the big concept that you got to remember though is the index numbers have to be the same. So if I had, square root of 7 times the cubed root of 8, those cannot multiply together because those indexes are not the same. All right, what about 2 square roots of 5 times 3 square roots of 7? Because it's all multiplication, the entire problem is multiplication, I'm able to rearrange the order and put all of the numbers that are outside of the radical together and then all the numbers that are inside of the radical together. So I have the 2 and the 3 can get together. 2 times 3 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 7. Now I can try to simplify this. 2 times 3 is 6. And the 5 and the 7 both have the same index for the radical. So I have a square root here and a square root here. They would multiply together to get the square root of 35. With some problems, I might have to break down the 35 and see if I can take anything out of that radical. But with this example, nothing comes out, so I would be stuck right here. One thing to be careful of is whenever you have a number on the outside of a radical, be very careful never to multiply a number on the outside of the radical into the radical. You'll never end up taking this and multiplying it inside. I guess there is a way you could do it, but it would really get messy. Whenever you have a radical, you're always trying to simplify it by taking things out. Don't move things in. So this 3 on the outside is going to stay on the outside. Something to keep in mind. I see a lot of mistakes where people multiply a number without a radical together with something that is a radical, and you want to be careful of that. Let's do another example here. Let's say we've got the 4th root of 6 multiplied by a parenthesis. Let's say we've got 2 plus the 4th root of 20. All right, so we have the 4th root of 6 is going to get distributed. We distribute that to all the terms on the inside. 4th root of 6 and 2 cannot combine together. I can't try and put them together, so I'm just going to keep it as 2 times the 4th root of 6 plus. Okay, now these have the same index, so I can put them together in the same one. 6 times 20, I'm going to leave as 6 times 20 because I need to break it down and see if I can actually simplify that. 6 is really 2 times 3. 20 is 4 times 5. And 4 is 2 times 2. So if I was to rewrite this whole thing here, I would have the 4th root of 2 to the 3rd power. And then I also have a 5. So do I have enough 2's to get out of this radical? Not quite. Almost. I thought I might be able to take it out, but I can't. So I just go back to 6 times 20, which is 120. And then these are not like terms. I can't add them together, so that's as far as I can go. Okay, just multiplying radicals together. Let's do one more just for fun in a very nerdy kind of way. Let's see, we need some random. All right, let's try one more here. Just multiplying radicals together. Let's go with the cubed root of 12 times parenthesis 5 plus the cubed root of 6. Yeah, that's good. All right, so I start here. Can't really do much with that, so it's 5 times the cubed root of 12 plus, now when I multiply here, they have the same index, so I can put them in the same one. So I'm going to do a cubed root of 12 times 6. Notice that I'm not multiplying it out yet because I want to try and reduce this and see if I can take anything out. This one breaks down to a 4 times 3. 4 is 2 squared. I don't have enough 2's to take one out, so I just leave this. 5 times the cubed root of 12 plus, now this one though, I need 3 of something in order to take it out. So 12 is 4 times 3, and then 6 is 2 times 3, and 4 is 2 times 2. So I have 1, 2, 3 2's, which is enough. I can take a 2 out. So I've got 5 times the cubed root of 12 plus cubed root of 2 to the 3rd power, and we said there's 2 3's, I have 3 to the 2nd power. I have enough 2's, I can take a 2 out. So final answer, 5 times the cubed root of 12 plus 2 times the cubed root of 3 squared, which is 9. So I'm just changing that to a 9. And there we go. Just multiplying some radicals together. Hopefully that just quick little lesson helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment down in the comment section and I can get to you as quick as I can. Give this channel a subscribe and a like, and we'll see you soon. Have a good day.